Here we go, Cass. Where are we?
Okay, we're at the Trang on Heritage Boat Tour here in Nimbin area. We're doing boat tour number 3. We hear that's the best, most scenic, with some historical things we can get out and go visit. So we'll bring you with us.
We bought the four tickets so we could have our own boat. That was 1.2 million dong. And then you went through the queues. We ended up on the bridge. All the signs are there. Should be pretty good. Here we go.
Thanks.
I assume those are the boats we're getting on. We're going to tell them that we're taking tour number 3. There are just 3 choices, 1, 2, and 3. Looks like those are the choices right there. And we'll see if we like this choice. Yeah, another great queue. Wow. It is all, they must get 1 million people here to have this many queues. And since there's nobody in them, I'm assuming we picked a good day. Moving along now, guys, gonna take our tickets.
There's 2, but we're going to swap with all 4.
Everybody's shaking and jiving here. Look at the people on the boat. Oarsmen are lining up.
Hi, we want to do the tour number 3. Does that make it? And we bought. Okay.
All right, she's pushing us the right way. I'll make sure that awesome, thank you. Yep, and we bought 4 tickets.
Number 3.
Thank you. Yes, number 3.
Hi.
All right, there's our oarsman back there. She's hiding. There she is. That's behind us.
So you pick out which tour you want to do, 1, 2, or 3, and we were telling people all along the way, and they're like, go, go, go. So I think what you do is just get on the boat, and then they ask you what tour you're doing, and then you say 3. I think they all leave from the same spot, and then the people will just take you which one you want to go.
Yep, all right, here we are at the split cast. You can go that way.
That's
Those
route 2.
pools are going. What's in front of us?
Route 1 and 3 are straight ahead.
And then off the side?
I don't know. That's like to go get gas, or I don't know, go get some snacks.
Yeah, what the heck is that one?
I don't know.
Oh, well. Probably people that didn't pay. All right, we chose the 2-person boat, which is the same size. There's 4 people in that boat. We paid extra, twice as much to have the 2-person boat.
Total amount was $46 for the whole boat. So we would have been able to split it, but I don't know if that's worth it.
Yeah, that's crowded, and it's pretty warm.
It's hot, especially with the life preservers on, so
Yeah.
it's spread out here.
Yeah, I think we did okay.
Okay, we're going to be stopping at the Den Trin Temple. This traces the Din dynasty at this temple. So, and the Tran dynasty will be at the next royal steps that we go to. But I do believe we get out here just to look around. This is part of tour 3. I don't believe it's part of tour 2. So this is kind of where we split off with those folks.
All right, there goes the losers. We're the winners. We're stopping. All right, check in when we dock. Here we are inside the temple. All right, back in the back room to these cool dudes.
I almost fell in the canal.
What's that?
I almost fell in.
Oh, that's
That's the cave we're going to go into.
Yeah. Yep, the Dot Cave, 1,000 meters. Well, that looks pretty cool. We'll see you around here in a minute. Cassie can swim over to boat 470 and I'll pick her up. Right, Cassie thinks we go through Dot Cave now,
Yep.
which is over to our left.
Oh, look, we're going to the left.
We might not be going, we still might not be going there. It could be a ruse. Those people are going that way.
There was group number 2, as I explained earlier. This is where we split.
This might be where we split from group number 2.
God.
We're headed to Dot Cave. I was right. Boy, Madame. Holy Moses.
Yikes.
Watch it.
Thank God for yoga.
Yes, he said we got to get into the turtle pose in yoga. I've already been in that pose. The downward dog almost killed me, but that's another story.
You don't want to do downward dog in here.
Wow. I see some daylight, I think, but man, it is getting tight. We haven't had any bloodshed yet, but I'm not convinced we're going to make it through this summer gun. It is low, man. I'm in the downward dog / mountain goat, and I can't get any lower. Oh, right out. Oh my, this is really cool. Right out into the jungle.
That is pretty.
Wow. Hello.
Whoa.
This is really cool. After being in a cave for 10 to 15 minutes, come out into the jungle on the other side of that karst, I guess. I do a little guessing on our tours.
Really?
Time to time. Ooh, that breeze feels good. Holy Moses, look at that thing in front of us. It's hard to get more picturesque than what we're seeing. They claim this is the Halong Bay on land. As Cassie just pointed out, it looks pretty special behind us. Oh man, we just rounded that corner. And into this cave.
This is only 400 meters, so a third?
Cloud cave. There's a nice breeze going through here so far.
Doesn't look as low.
No, it almost looks man-made with the flat tops, but I don't think that's the case.
Okay.
And finish the 300 meters, 400 meters?
That was 400 meters.
400 meters already. We barely even broke a sweat.
Nope, we didn't have to duck or anything.
No.
Very nice.
Pretty easy cave. And as Cassie just reminded me that was probably one of the first caves, or probably one of the caves during the wet season that you probably can't go through because the water level is too high. Water level is almost too high today during the dry season. Sun's coming out. Gonna have to get the sunnies on. Sea Dig's got her sunnies on.
Yeah.
People in front of us. Whoa, look at those
fish.
guys.
Yeah. Clear. Look how clear the water is here.
Beautiful. It makes me thirsty.
Get in there.
Every time I quit filming, I start up again because there's another beautiful freaking spot.
Yeah. Yep, we're going to start at the Sua Tian Temple. And we're going to hike our freaking heads off to the Thung Hua.
Stuff. We started just over there, got out of the boat, hiked through that nice area. Crossing the river here again. We assume 470 will end up over here. There's 1070 already there. Cassie thinks we can film this, so we'll film it. Probably can't film in there. We'll look for our hiking trail.
I'm going to peek in here.
There. He's going to go up and peek in there. All right, we're going under this little bridge. We just left our temple. Here we go, back out on the water. If that was the place for the hike, we couldn't find it.
Nope. We tried to go on the hike, but apparently it was where the workers were going for a picnic and they shoot us out of there.
Yeah, it certainly looked like the hike and it looked like a great path, and we got a little ways going and they said no. Although the first guy said go ahead.
Yeah.
So who knows? We'll save our energy for the sleeping dragon on the way home.
Okay.
All right, there's a lot of yelling up here. Is it Aussies?
That's group one. They go opposite of us.
Oh, that breeze feels so good. It is the perfect day to do this.
Yes, it is.
And around the corner into more unbelievable sights. Oof. People stopped here in the middle for some reason. Was there a boat accident?
Photo opportunity.
Wow. Yeah, it probably is. It's awfully pretty. And there we go again. One more little bend in the river, and it opens up to more magnificence. Daggett word of the day, magnificence. All right, the river's necking down here.
Hey, they've got paddles.
They're all paddling along. No wonder they're winning.
Yeah, they're winning.
Those young kids are chugging along. It goes down into a small part of the river without creating rapids.
Is that Kim Kwai? Kim Kwai. Okay.
All right.
All right. I know where we are.
All right.
This must be around where they filmed.
Wow, I think so. That face looks familiar. All right, Cass, what are we coming into?
We're coming into Grand Cave.
Whoa, out over there, where those people are coming out of, right?
I don't know. I don't know where they're coming out
Where
of.
are they coming out of?
That would be group one. And they are coming out of Great Cave.
Well, it looks like the perfect movie set for Kong.
Yeah.
Well, I would have been hiding here from Kong. I can tell you that right now.
Yeah. I don't know if I think Kong was the good guy in it. I don't think
Oh.
he was a baddie. I can't remember.
Okay, I like it better when Kong's a good guy.
Yeah. I like all the King Kong movies. All right,
Every
it's only
last
150 meters. Oh,
Watch your head, madam. We're already coming down to Grand Cave, Cat.
uh-oh.
Jeez Louise. Oh my.
This is our next stop. It's the Bu Lam Royal Steps. Bu Lam Royal Steps.
We'll pan around back to this pagoda temple. Yes, he's researching it. Time to stretch our legs.
These guys.
Is that blocked off? A lot of turtles. Why can't we go here? Every time we've had a chance to hike, somebody's saying don't do it.
I bet you King Kong's up there.
Could be. Man. And right out in the river is that cool thing. According to Cassie's map, we're coming up to getting close to the end. And this gal, our oarsman, has done a great job.
Look at these beehive huts. That is just so cool. What a great landscape.
Oh, I think that's the set. That could be the set of Kong.
They would have left that up for 20 years?
I think they did.
No.
All right, I think this is the last part of the Kong site we see. Cassie thought this could be a temple, some sort of Buddhist temple. I think it's a Kong site.
I never said that.
Somebody said it. Is that our ending in sight, Cass?
I believe it is.
You're right. All right, Cass and I are in a quiet boat, chatty boat. Quiet boat, chatty boat. There's the other chatty boat. And thankfully, we were in between them, and they yelled back and forth, but not for too long. Pretty nice run. All right, Cass, how'd it go?
All right, that was very fun, relaxing, tranquil for the most part. A little bit noisy when there's jovial people yelling back and forth, but otherwise it was super awesome.
Yeah, I think it's a pretty slow day on the water, so there wasn't. So we had some spots like 5 and 10 minutes at a time that it was just complete silence, and it was really, really, really nice.
Yep, beautiful sights. It was great.
Yep, took us. What time is it? It's about. Must have taken us about 2 hours in total.
2 hours, 2.5 hours. Yeah, saw some temples, and yeah, it's great, very fun. And it's a breezy day. It was not sunny. So it wasn't bad at all.
Overcast with a breeze is a pretty fine day.
Yep.
All right, catch you later.
Thanks for watching, Travel Buddies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell. See you next time.